Okay, it is Monday, February 23rd, 2015, about 7:40 p.m. or a.m., I mean. And it's 25 degrees right now. We have a winter storm warning. Yeah, we're supposed to get ice all day. Look at this. I hear something that almost sounds like an air conditioner defrosting, a heat pump defrosting. You can see my breath. I don't know if you guys can. I put my iPod Touch in my pocket, and it is freezing cold out here. The McKinney school district already closed all the schools for the day. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. And it sounds like a heat pump. Dang, dude. This isn't even, I don't think this is even the worst of it. Oh, let's get into the grass here. Is it one of those good ones over there? Let's see. Yeah, dude, look at this. Someone already drove through here, as you can see. Yeah, I think it might be one of these Goodman units. Oh no. It's just that I found this flea vent. That thing tricked me a few weeks ago and it was cold too. I'm trying not to mess up everyone's nice ice covered front yards. So I'm jumping a lot. And that includes ours. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, we're iced in. You can probably still hear it. It's still doing it right now. Very slowly. Oh my god, dude, it is cold. I'll go take a look at the central air conditioners real quick. Wonder if we have like any icicles or anything. Here's York. Yeah, it's frozen. Let's see about the Guardian. Oh yeah, Guardian's frozen. Got little icicles on it. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. I'll probably go in and make myself some hot chocolate in a minute. How long have we been? 4 minutes, 47 seconds. Okay. Well, this video is kind of getting... Oh, let's take a look at the neighbors real quick. Alright, I'll be right back. Well, if this gets any worse, then I will be back. So, yeah, over and out. Dude, the snow, or the ice, weighed down my neighbor's tree. Not tree, whatever it is. Bush. Let's take a look at the American Standard real quick. And you know, I bet you anything, this is the last week in March. Oh my god, this is the last week in February. So I bet you anything, in at least a few weeks, we're gonna have air conditioning going in our house. Bushes. Forgot to show this. Frozen. Dang. Okay, over and out. I am freezing out here. Here comes the ice. Didn't I start filming at the right time? Here comes the ice. And, you know, fun fact, they're calling for another freaking ice storm next Friday. We were watching the news at the hotel on Saturday night. But yeah, dude, here it comes. Really big. Oh my god, dude, that is cold. This is a view of the ice from my window here. You can see there's lots of it on my neighbor's roof right there. Still coming down good. It's about 10 o'clock now. And that's not rain, that's ice. And you can probably see the neighbor's York and everything down there. All the ice on the ground. I think there's more ice than there was earlier. It's been icing a lot since I made that video. It's really dark and cloudy up in the sky, but it looks like it's almost sunny. All the ice on the ground. You can probably tell. Yeah, anyways. I guess that's gonna be about it. After I after that video finishes uploading, I'll get myself busy editing, I guess.